All right, we're gonna keep going with our whole wheat, not these, sorry. The other two are whole wheat, this one's not whole wheat. Okay. Hello and welcome to another online exclusive recipe from Great Taste of Manitoba. My name is Jessica Penner. I'm a registered dietitian with the Manitoba Crop Alliance. Today I am absolutely excited to share with you how you can stock your freezer with waffles. Yes, I said waffles. I know waffles are probably not the first thing that comes to mind when you're thinking of freezer meals, but really they are such the perfect food to make a great big batch of and then freeze the leftovers. Then you have a nice, quick, convenient, and nutritious breakfast for those busy mornings. Okay, let's get right into it. As we go along, I am going to introduce you to things that I love about this recipe. First of all, this is a one bowl situation, so we're just gonna keep adding everything right in here. I have my eggs already in the bowl, and I'm going to pour in the melted butter. Next up, we have Greek yogurt. So the recipe does call for Greek yogurt. If you do happen to have regular plain yogurt kicking around in your fridge, you can feel free to use that. Just note that your batter will likely end up being a little runnier than mine. We have our milk to pour in here, and then the brown sugar and vanilla. If you are more of a savory waffle type of person, you can feel free to skip these ingredients altogether. Next up, we're gonna go on with our dry ingredients. We have all-purpose flour today, and our ground flaxseed, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Did you know? Research has found that flax seeds are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and many types of cancers. Plus, they can lower blood pressure and cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar levels. Flax seeds, they just really have it all. When you're making waffles, you want to whisk just until combined. If you overmix, then you're not gonna get those nice, big, beautiful, fluffy waffles of your dreams. So a few lumps are okay. Now this batter does benefit from about a 5-minute rest period. So while that's doing its thing resting there, let's chat about some of these amazing local ingredients we've used today. First up, the all-purpose flour. As a Manitoban, I am so proud of the flour that our farmers grow. Canadian wheat is prized around the world for its high-quality protein. Next up, there is that ground flaxseed. I could probably talk all day about ground flaxseed, but I'm gonna limit myself to 3 things today. First up, ground flaxseed contains omega-3 fatty acids. These are considered essential for the human body because we can't make it ourselves. We need to get it from food. Next, I love that the ground flaxseed adds fiber to our waffles without making them taste high fiber, if you know what I mean. They add a really lovely nutty flavor. Lastly, ground flax seeds contain lignans. These are a unique antioxidant that aren't found in very many foods. Okay, let's get to cooking our waffles now. You'll know that the waffles are ready when they are a nice golden brown on top. Now you do you and enjoy your waffles with whatever toppings are your favorite, but I thought I'd share with you one of my top ways of enjoying these waffles. I always like to start off with a layer of nut or seed butter. Today I have the sunflower seed butter recipe that I actually shared on Great Taste a couple seasons ago. So you can find that recipe linked below. Then I like to do a dollop of whipped cream or yogurt. Fresh fruit is a must. Whatever you have in season. And then, in my opinion, la pièce de résistance, a little bit of a crunch factor. Today I have these sunflower seeds. You can find this recipe below. When you make it, make sure to tag us on social media because we really want to see your waffle creations. Now, the last step is to decide, are you gonna be all fancy and proper and use a knife and fork, or are you just gonna pick it up and take a big old bite?
If you decide to try this recipe at home, we would love to know what you think. We hope you leave this video feeling inspired to cook with local ingredients. Subscribe if you want to see more from us. Thank you so much for watching.